Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be making smoked turkey from 2 turkey drumsticks. Now these drumsticks are huge. I bought them from Costco and they used to only be available during Christmas and Thanksgiving, but in the past 2 years or 3 years, they've been available throughout the year, and so this is a great go-to item for when I want to make a really quick weeknight dinner. So stay tuned for my smoked turkey recipe. So I'm starting off with 2 cloves of garlic that I'm peeling and chopping. And now I'm chopping up 2 scallions, which came from our garden, so I'm pretty proud of that. And I'm also adding 1 full red onion. I like the sweet yet spicy flavor of red onion, so I use them quite often when I cook. I've heated my pan to medium-low and I've added some olive oil, and now I'm adding the scallion, onions, and then the garlic. I'm going to let this simmer while I prepare the smoked turkey. So here's the 2 smoked turkey legs, and I'm going to cut the meat off to the bone and slice it up. I'm trying to get as much meat off this bone as I can, but I also want to make sure that I don't include any of those splinter-like bones. What I'm going to do with the bones is I'm going to put them in my freezer and use them for when I make bone broth. Waste not, want not. The one thing that I really like about turkey drumsticks is that it gives you so much meat. This is all from 1 drumstick, so you're really going to get your money's worth here. I'm just finishing up slicing the 2nd turkey leg, and this is all the meat I got from the 2. Now I'm adding the smoked turkey meat in the pan with the onions and garlic and mixing it all together. This is a sprinkling of oregano, some cayenne pepper, and I had some fresh basil, so I'm adding some here, but this is optional. I'm mixing it all together and I'm going to cover it with a lid and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. This makes a quick and easy dish because the meat is smoked, so this cuts down on the cooking time. So here it is. The smoked turkey is nice and tender, and the herbs and spices and onions really complement that great smoky flavor. We're going to have this with some quinoa, some steamed broccoli and cauliflower, and some sweet tasting beets that I roasted. So there you have it, my smoked turkey recipe. That's a great weeknight meal when you're in a pinch for time. So if you make this turkey recipe, please let me know how it goes in the comments below, and let me know what you pair it with as well. Until next time, take care.